Okay, Chris, this is your course. This is your course content page. I just copied into your 2019 spring shell. So this is your current course. You wanted to know how to change information. Let's say you wanted to change this file right here. You would go to Edit and then select a different file and hit browse my computer, and then you would find the file. I'm not going to do that because that's your file, but right now it has this file attached to it, and you would just select a different file, then browse your computer to replace that file. In terms of changing content on this page, all you have to do is click on Edit, this arrow, and then Edit. And I'm just going to drag this. If you wanted to change anything here, you would just click in there and type or delete. In terms of these documents down here, if you wanted to change these, all you would have to do is highlight and then go here to insert file, browse your computer, and then find the file you want to use. I don't have any documents right now. So you would find the file that you want to use, hit open and replace, and submit. I'm not going to do that. Or let's say you wanted to delete all that. It's very easy to do. Just type So all you have to do, again, let's say you wanted to add a new file here. Let's see what this is. Let's save this. So let's say you wanted to change this here. You would click on this little thing, browse your computer, find your document, hit open. I'm not going to do that. And then hit submit, and that will be replaced. Or you can basically you type whatever you want here and add whatever you want. You change your due dates on your assignments. Here are some assignments. Here's one. You go up here, edit, and change your due date here. Here's the calendar. You can change the date. You can change the time here. And then you hit submit right at the bottom, right here. That's how you change the information. If you have any questions, any specific questions, just email me and let me know.